Hello, I'm Tomo from Agent Technologies. Today, I'd like to demonstrate hardware emulation of logic IC's output circuit by using Agent B2960. Emulator can realize various characteristics of the device and is useful for evaluating the load circuit of the device. In the first demonstration, I measure the device's output current voltage characteristics and then emulate it by the emulator. There is a CMOS logic IC on this board. It's powered by PC with this USB cable. And this is Agent B2960. It can emulate the logic IC. And this is another B2960. It's used for measuring current voltage characteristics. Currently, the output of the device is set to logic low level. I will receive voltage from 0 to 5 volts and measure the current at 60 points. Now, I connect the device to the measurement instrument. Now, I will start measurement. This is the IV curve of the device. For 0 volt, the current is 0 ampere. As the applied voltage is increased, the current goes up and saturates at about 9 milliampere. I will copy these characteristics to the emulator. The emulator can be set up very easily by using this tool. Let's put measured current voltage characteristics here. We need to inverse current polarity as the emulator pulls current. It's the opposite of the measurement. Then I send these parameters to the emulator. I will repeat the same measurement against the emulator. The graph on the left is the IV curve of the device, and the graph on the right is IV curve of the emulator. As you see, they are exactly the same. By using the emulator, the real device's current voltage characteristics can be emulated like this. You may want to emulate the device's behavior under various conditions, such as low power supply voltage or high temperature. Such conditions can be mimicked by the emulator by just changing parameters without changing actual operating conditions. Even malfunctioning device can be emulated. In the next demonstration, I will reduce all currents by half to mimic the malfunctioning device. All current values are reduced by half. And set up the emulator with these parameters. The current saturates at about 4.5 milliampere, exactly a half of actual device. I've demonstrated emulation of logic IC's output circuit. By using the emulator like Agent B2960, a device's characteristics can be emulated. Also, the different characteristics under various operating conditions can be realized by simply changing the parameters. This function is useful for evaluating load circuit of the device. If you'd like to have more information, you can visit our website currently showing below. Thank you.